my weird sister today. So today, what are we gonna be doing? I told you you get to pick.
Pick marshmallows in the microwave.
Okay, we're gonna show you how to make s'mores in the microwave.
We're gonna have chocolate though. Well, no, we have to have the kisses. Yeah.
Yes, with Hershey Kisses inside it. Hershey Kisses. So my special guest, what's your name?
I don't know what my name is.
I told you before. But her name is
Bob. I am Bob.
Jacqueline. She claims she's Bob.
I am Bob. Bob is me. I am Bob. I am him.
So are you ready to get to this video? Let's go! I know you're not going to see our heads in this video much because I need to be focusing on the things. So 1 second, we're going to wash our hands. You always need to wash your hands. So 1 sec. Whoa, our hands are already washed. So she stole something. So first ingredient you need is, of course, well, you don't always need graham crackers. You need graham crackers. They don't have to be honey, but honey's like really good. So graham crackers. Let's get one little pack out. And marshmallows. But because these are done being in the microwave, we're going to use Hershey Kisses.
Well, did y'all cook them in the oven the other day or microwave?
I don't know. Did you, what did you cook in?
I did.
So, you need a butter knife. And that's it. So let's get to our first thing. Scoot this all aside. So first thing we need is the graham crackers. And going everywhere. And let's just open this up. I will be wearing my Hershey
Apron?
yeah, but I want to go get it out. So there's one broken one. Let's just,
Hilarious.
yeah. There's yours, and here's mine. So let's just set these aside because we already done with those. Oh, so now that I realized I was like, oh man, I broke mine wrong.
Okay.
Sorry, I'll just eat those after the video. I know, you said we can share that. I'm just going to eat those after the video. Or maybe even tomorrow. There's Jack.
Don't put the chocolate in there whenever you cook the marshmallows.
I know. So, you have these. Let's put those aside. So, you have your graham crackers. And oh yeah, okay. You get your, I was about to call this a mushroom. You get your marshmallow. Make sure it's not a mushroom. Sorry. So go to a pot over here. Sorry. That might be in there the whole time, but yeah. Yes, we have a Spider-Man thing right there. Because we don't really care. It's on a window and my curtain just broke the other day, so. And then you want to cut yours in half to about that big. Then get the other side, kind of flatten it out. But if you don't want to flatten it out too much, you can just, not so sticky, trim it or something like that, but I don't really care. And then, there we go. How we did that, we put these in the microwave. How long do you want to put them in there?
You need a plate.
I know.
That's why I was going up
I'm
there.
just opening it. Ah!
You know?
Hi!
Here, let me explain.
Yeah. I'll play right there. I'm fine, so Jackie, there's some way we do it. They're not just like regular s'mores. Because we actually them, but Hershey kisses on them and they're on them. Stop. Here we go. This first one is mine. Jack will tell you how long you have to cook them, right, Jack? Oh yeah, and you put them separate. They're not to be together. But how long do you cook them, Jack? You know you were supposed
10 seconds.
she was supposed to tell you. So 10 seconds start, and you have to watch them because apparently marshmallows are kind of flammable in here. So they're done.
Are they good? You want to put them on?
And so this. Yeah, we might need to cook them a little longer,
10 more seconds.
but we might need to cook them for 20 seconds because they felt cold. They just got cold.
So what happened?
I feel great. That's what